What's up guys, it's Phil, and it's time for another update. So this update is not really like work related per se, but I've got some awesome stuff going on. So a couple of months ago I listed my trailer for sale because I wanted to upgrade to a bigger one. But with financing and all that kind of stuff, it can be really tricky. I didn't want to try and buy one up front, finance all of it without a down payment, but I also can't sell my other one and then order a new one and wait 8 weeks for it to be made and delivered and all that. But all that to say, somebody actually came today and wants to buy my trailer. So that means I'm finally gonna get started moving on getting rid of this old trailer and getting the new one. So hopefully he is gonna come back tomorrow with cash. We'll see. But in the meantime, I gotta go ahead and start getting this trailer cleaned out so that I can sell it and get everything put into the new one. So it's a new day. It's tomorrow. The trailer's all cleaned out, just blew it out with a leaf blower and it is ready to go. My guy is on his way with cash right now, so I'm super excited about that, and I am ready to move on this project. Here's the only downside. The timing could not be worse. I was just starting to get caught up on my current projects, which I was very excited about, and then now I'm doing this, which is great. The problem is I hadn't set aside time to work on my new trailer because I didn't have that in my plan because I didn't know when it was gonna happen. Now that it's happening this weekend when I'm supposed to be doing work at home as well as getting caught up with another client, and things are just kind of crazy. So I'm not gonna get into that because that's just the way business is, and if you like that, you can check out my other updates. So I'm going to get this thing sold and go pick up the new trailer and then tell you guys what my plans are for the future. This thing is huge! Check this out. We're talking 16 foot long, plus like an extra 1.5 feet for the Finos there. We got a little drop floor with diamond plating for the door, which is awesome. The fender wells are inside because it is 8.5 wide. It's got built-in D-rings in the floor, and because it's got the ramp style door, it's a little oversized, which is nice. It's really, really big. The springs are really super, super strong. Double axle is gonna be up to 7,000 pounds, which is good because my truck can only tow 7,400. It's got LED lights, which is also awesome because these actually work compared to my other trailer. Full-size RV style door, which is just super cool. It locks and is much bigger than the last door was, which will be really convenient for getting stuff in and out, which I think is gonna be great. So I, for one, am very excited about this trailer. This project is gonna be super awesome, and it is going to mean some major changes for my business. The biggest change that's gonna be happening is that I am going to be using this as a 100% mobile cabinet shop. My big change for 2020 is that I'm going to not stop, but not really be doing much of the small woodworking that I have been doing. I'm not gonna be doing dining tables anymore. I'm gonna pass on some of the smaller projects, coffee tables and things like that people have been asking me to do, because I just don't like trying to fit those in when I've got so many other people that want custom built-ins. What's crazy is the farther behind I get, every time I think I'm getting caught up, I've been booking 3 and 4 consultations per week, and I've not advertised, I've not said anything out there. I'm getting about 99% of people who are either referrals from previous clients or who are people who I met at Dickens of a Christmas or at Pumpkin Fest, one of the local shows that I've done here. So word of mouth is absolutely blowing up, which is great because that means I'm not spending a lot of money on advertising, and it also means that people actually like the work that I'm doing, so much so that they tell their friends and neighbors. So people like seeing my truck. It's a nice red truck, it's not all beat up, it's got my logos on the side, everything's crisp and clean and professional looking. So with this trailer, I didn't have stickers on my other trailer. On this one, I'm going to. For its size, and because I'm going to be using it commercially on a regular basis, it actually has to be tagged in the state of Tennessee. So I'm gonna go ahead and register it, get the tags on it, and if I'm gonna have a logo on it, it has to have a tag. If I don't have a tag, it can't have a logo. So all that to say, badges, tags, logos, registration, all that jazz. It's gonna happen. So step 1 is gonna be just getting my crap back in the trailer. Step 2 is gonna be me actually building out some shop cabinets inside the trailer so that I can start building out that actual mobile shop. So for you guys, I'm going to separate this into a series of multiple videos, very similar to Ron Paulk. I'm actually going to be using a lot of his designs and his assembly tables in this trailer, but like his, it's going to take me a pretty good amount of time to put it together, and I don't feel like that would be a very fun video to watch because it might be kind of boring. So I'm going to break it up into a couple of stages and show you guys each stage as we go, and that's going to be separate from my normal updates, so you guys can follow along if you're interested in doing this yourself, or you just want to see how I do it and how I screw it up. I am excited. It is Friday, it's starting to drizzle, and it's getting colder by the second, so I'm going to get this loaded up and get on with my weekend and hopefully get some of these cabinets at least started this weekend.